Blessed be, guys. Today we're going to talk about a controversial topic on Silver Ravenwolf. Um, a lot of people think that Silver Ravenwolf is too fluffy. Guys, I'll be honest. I've read Silver Ravenwolf when I first started off the path. And if you're going to read Silver Ravenwolf, I would recommend to ride a Silver Broomstick. Because that was their first published book that is not fluffy. It's not. It really isn't. Silver Ravenwolf is a good writer, a good Wiccan, and she's very informed. And, when I first started on Wicca, and I started picking up Silver Ravenwolf to ride a Silver Broomstick, it was different. Because the cover was different. So, I lent it out to a friend who never gave it back, but that's besides the point. Now, Silver Ravenwolf has released to ride a Silver Broomstick, which claims 300,000 sold. You know what? If Silver Ravenwolf was so fluffy, or if Silver Ravenwolf wasn't a really good writer and know what she's talking about, she wouldn't have had 300,000 copies sold. So, you know what? If you don't believe me, look right there. Yep. What I like about Silver Ravenwolf is not only is it really informative, but one thing that she actually posted in this book in the beginning was suggested reading list. Raymond Buckley, the Tree Complete Book of Sectarian Witchcraft. Guys, I actually read Silver Ravenwolf, then I read the complete book of Witchcraft by Raymond Buckley. Then I read Scott Cunningham. To be honest, all these three books that I have read are great books. Great, solid books. So, if you're thinking Silver Ravenwolf is too fluffy, well, I'm sorry, I don't. I actually take her side because that was the first book that I informed me of what path I was on. It is now a year and 2 halves of me practicing Wicca. And I still go back to Silver Ravenwolf and read her books. So, sorry for the rant. I'm not trying to rant. I'm just trying to, be completely real of how I feel. I'm not yelling at you guys. I'm just letting you know how I feel. And yes, I just had perfect energy tea, so I'm really amped up. So, thank you for watching, and as always, blessed be.